Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying connectivity because most SMS failures are network related. First, check signal bars and Wi-Fi. If airplane mode is on, turn it off. Once done, disable Do Not Disturb and confirm your carrier account is active. Billing blocks stop SMS. Restart the iPhone to refresh radio services. If problem persists, note whether failures are to one contact or all numbers, because that difference changes the next steps. Now you dig into message routing to find misconfigurations. Open Settings Messages and confirm Send and Receive shows your phone number. If iMessage is stuck, toggle it off and on to force reactivation. Make sure Send as SMS and MMS messaging are enabled so texts fall back to SMS when iMessage fails. If issues remain, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. Also, format the recipient number with the correct country code and check blocked contact lists. Finally, apply deeper fixes to resolve lingering failures. Update iOS to the latest version because software bugs often affect messaging. Power down, remove the SIM, inspect for damage, then reseat it. Try a different SIM to isolate hardware versus carrier issues. If carrier provisioning or spam filters are suspected, call support. As a last resort, back up and restore the iPhone to factory settings. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.